Yusuf is the assistant teacher of a madrasa, and he has a bank account, salary account with the Parasat SBI Bank. All on a sudden, on
bank? SBI?
Yes, all on a sudden on 21st of October 2024. But at about 8:30 onwards, he got some messages that from his bank account, 7,28,000 has been generated, creating a loan account, showing that bank salary account itself, without any knowledge of the petitioner. But thereafter, 7,28,000 has been siphoned by 5 installments. 4,99,000, all these statements are there. 99,000.
Petitioner is no way connected with
No way connected. Immediately thereafter, on very that day, he rushed to the bank first. Bank manager said, you file a complaint before the police authorities. Immediately, he went to the police authorities. As well as a cyber report. Rushed with all these reports. But complaint lodged before the bank authorities on very that date itself. But they did not take any step. Ultimately, FIR law 6/11/2024. And details I have collected that petitioner is no way connected generation from somewhere else with the somewhere phones. Now when I am placing the facts itself, paragraph 9 I have stated.
What is your prayer?
My prayer not to deduct. But now after 23rd of October, each and every month, total loan amount has been to repay 10,55,000, and I am liable to make EMI 14,397 or something at each and every month deducting. First thing.
Automatic
deduction without any fault on my part. Till date, 2 installment already gone, and I have to pay till 30th 2030. 223 installments I have to pay without any fault on my part. Now, immediately thereafter, after that generation, time and again, SDO, DI to stop EMI salary, so that, and most interesting thing, till 23rd of October of every month, salary is giving in that particular month, 1st of every month. Till 23rd of that month, I cannot operate even my bank account unless until the deduction made. Kindly see the plight of the petition.
Right.
I'm giving the documents itself.
Let me hear the bank.
Yes.
My lord, it is a very sorry state of affairs.
Supreme Court judgment, but it
would not have happened
on 3/1/2025 that if there is no fault on our part, Honorable Supreme Court following the earlier judgments, I have got all these judgments, series of judgments, that if there is no fault on part of the petitioner or the customer, then it is a bank to provide all the highest level of securities to. But this is the judgment. First judgment from Assam, single bench, carried to the appellate court. Appeal bench confirm that. Supreme Court, bank, all these judgments I have given till 2019, and those judgments has been followed on 3rd of January 2020. It is the latest one. Quoting the paragraph 42 earlier judgment, earlier judgment, page 3.
Petitioner is only 38 years of age.
Yes, but my client is before your lordship. I have bought him. If any requirement or query is there.
Oh, whatever. Yes,
prima facie it appears to be a very sorry state of affair. But it would not have happened unless and until he has shared the OTPs that he has received.
No, something has happened.
My lord, you have conducted an internal investigation.
Yes.
My lord, this is an internal investigation report that I am placing before my lord. My lord, can you see?
With a copy to your learned friend.
My lord, if my lord directs, I will obey.
Yes.
My lord, I am having what it.
What does the report say?
My lord, we have conducted an internal investigation which says that
give a copy to him. You can also see what is there.
Due to his negligence or carelessness, he has shared the OTP numbers. There was a fraudulent transaction. It happened. But unless he had shared it, the numbers, OTPs, this would not have happened. He has received a loan. This, my lord knows, is a INB platform, internal banking platform. And every internal banking platform, whether it is or Paytm or Google Pay, every internal banking platform has a loan facility. We can obtain personal loan from that internal banking platform. Now, only after pressing that application, the loan will automatically not come in my account. After pressing the application,
has happened.
I
Now
receive various OTPs.
What can be done? What is the remedy you say? The remedy, you have to find out a remedy. What is the remedy? What does your internal investigation report say?
My lord, kindly cease, my lord.
It may have, maybe that he has committed a mistake, a negligence, whatever.
My lord.
What is the remedy?
My lord, now the loan has been obtained by him.
He is not getting the money.
No, maybe. But
What
we,
maybe?
we cannot
His
deny
money will
this.
go
But
somewhere else.
Kindly appreciate, my lord, we cannot say that he has not done this because OTPs were shared by him.
Immediately
He might
block
have
this
done it
account.
knowingly or unknowingly. We do not know that.
Immediately block this account. Block it. So that no further money can be deducted.
No, we are deducting the EMIs because
Do
he has
not
obtained
do
the loan.
it because the loan,
Obtained the loan.
he is not using the loan. Somebody, some fraudster
That is
using it.
his allegation, my lord. That has not yet been proved, my lord.
You find out.
That is not his allegation only.
Of the state respondent.
If my phone is hacked,
Cybercrime police station,
Yes.
and it suggests that the investigation is still going on and petitioner is nowhere connected with the
then
loan.
The investigation going on and not just
phone
still
has been
connected.
hacked.
Both are
and
contradictory,
my
my
phone
lord.
number it has been. OTP question does not arise.
You immediately block this bank account so that no transaction in any manner whatsoever takes place from here. Right? Thereafter, EMIs and everything can be taken care of. And you give a copy, your investigation, share it with the learned advocate for the bank as well as the petitioner.
এই কোথা থেকে কিছু হয়েছে কিছু বলেছে from where?
IP address suggests that it's happened out of West Bengal, somewhere out of West Bengal.
Then maybe
Have you followed?
No,
Or maybe will not do.
but he has received OTP in his mobile number. That cannot be received by
He
just
has
It
one.
has done it by way of a mistake. Even if assuming it is a mistake, you have to stop it. You cannot permit money to be deducted and credited in favor of somebody else. You are a bank. You are providing service to your customers. There is a fraud. There is an allegation of fraud, and you'll say that you've taken the money. He lodged a police complaint. The police is investigating. Immediately take steps to block it, so that
My
he
lord,
can.
he has got an alternative remedy, I say, my lord.
Yes, please.
We have already rejected his claim, the ombudsman. Now he can file
I will
another
not.
complaint
I
before the
will
Reserve Bank.
not permit anything to be done. You immediately stop it. And
should not be
he will be permitted to
to
open a
salary.
separate salary account
Prayer
where
has been
his
made rejected.
salary will be credited, and you in the meantime inquire to get hold of the money that has already been siphoned off. Do you get it? The way you are moving as if these things doesn't happen, he is the only person who is doing something like this, right?
And Donald
So
Trump
do not.
Any person, I just academic question. I put it to myself, my
The
lord.
place of academics.
If somebody does it intentionally, we will not be able to judge who has done it intentionally or not intentionally.
know what is happening
Then
there.
like this money will go off.
Authorities
Public
are
money will go off, my lord.
After there is a complaint that this has not been done, then you find out where the money has gone, in whose account it has gone. You find out who is the beneficiary of the loan.
Much obliged.
Then only the customers can be protected. Otherwise, the customers' money will go in this way. I am getting regular matters where bank accounts are frozen only because of this fraudulent transaction. Can you not find out where the money is being credited? Every month you are deducting some amount of money. Where the money is going? In whose account?
No, there is a EMI we are deducting, not
The main-
not going to
the-
somebody else's account.
The main money was taken by somebody. Where did the money flow? Find out.
And Honorable
Please
Supreme Court said this within 24 hours. If I make any application, it is the bank's priority to investigate and stop all these things.
My lord, we have already
Paragraph
done so.
9, 10, 11.
My lord, we have done so already. My lord,
Paragraph
this is
9, 10, 11 statement is there.
My lord, we have already done so. Bank has submitted copy of EML data such and such address to PNB Bank beneficiary merchant.
Find out who is the
Beneficiary merchant
beneficiary.
for recovery of dispute or transaction.
Yes. Take steps for recovery. That is your prerogative.
Yes.
You are there to safeguard the customers and not harass them by dismissing their complaint by the ombudsman and telling them to file a further complaint. This is not done. And and tell your client to be careful next time.
He did not.
This is
What
not-
happened? I asked time and again. His phone was hacked by that time. Immediately thereafter, all this transaction done. If number is hacked, there is no operation is there. But he is here. I totally I asked him.
Answer the petitioner.
Mr. Sarvajaman's mother, 70,000 within operating everything.
Is a teacher of a high madrasa.
Paragraph 9, 10, 11 statements.
His salary account was hacked and a loan was generated from the said account.
Is 37. And 38 the mode of generations.
A sum of rupees 7,28,000 was immediately deducted from his salary account.
No, my lord, it is said loan account has been credited
As a loan account has been
without any consent of the school authorities also. It cannot be permitted.
a loan account
Separate.
was
Yes, I have
created.
given the number also. Paragraph 10.
How much has been deducted as of now?
7,28,000 generated in terms of the creating a loan account. That entire amount has been credited to that account. Debited from that
Salary account.
Yes.
And credited to somebody else's account.
Creating a loan account, another from that loan account it has been sent to another account, and now they are generating my EMI from and debiting from my salary account each and
No, that I understand. But then the amount was debited from your account and credited to
Yes.
somebody else's account.
account.
Find out.
Yes, and that statements are there. This 39 onwards. 38 mode of generation. This 37 is the one how it has been created from time to time, and thereafter time has been given. Kindly see. This 38. iPhone. I do not use any iPhone itself. Mode, make of mobile platform. iPhone such and such. All these things are there. I do not have any iPhone. From that iPhone, creating of my phone number, hacking,
কি বললাম?
transferred.
And a loan account was generated বললাম, and যেখানে লিখেছেন তারপর লিখুন and a loan account was generated.
Paragraph 9, loan account also given. PALCC such and such. My lord gave all these things from paragraph 9, 10, 11.
The bank is deducting the EMI from the salary account of the petitioner
Yes.
every month. Stop paragraph. The petitioner immediately lodged a complaint before the bank and thereafter before the
Police, cyber all.
stop. An FIR was also registered. Stop. The petitioner asserts that he is no way connected with the loan. Stop. He never applied for loan. Stop. The petitioner requested the bank to freeze the bank account and to and to open a separate salary account where his regular salary may be credited. Stop. The prayer of the petitioner was rejected by the bank. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the same. Stop. Prayer has been made to restrain the bank from deducting EMI from his salary account and also permit the petitioner to open a new salary account. Stuff. Learned advocate representing the bank submits upon instruction that the petitioner is responsible for creation of this loan account. Stuff. According to the bank, the petitioner must have shared the OTP number which was provided to him. Otherwise, the loan account could not have been generated. Stop. As the loan account is continuing, the bank has to deduct the EMI. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner has annexed the bank statements, wherefrom it appears that the loan account was generated by way of an iPhone. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner submits that he does not have or own any iPhone and he never disclosed any OTP to anybody.
Kindly come to page 51. It is a bank statement that fraudulent transaction has been made. It is their statement. I have got it. Subsequently on 30th10. Page 51.
Paragraph. The bank has conducted an internal investigation. And has opined that there was negligence on the part of the customer. Stop. Paragraph. The learned advocate representing the state respondents has filed report before this court.
The stable one is the present report.
Yes, and this is the earlier one.
Earlier one.
Where is it mentioned?
Annexure B1. Annexure B1 in that folded page.
Folded page.
Annexure B1. It's IP address on the login IP address. Suggests somewhere in Bihar it has been used. The user ID and password used somewhere in Bihar.
Where is it mentioned? In your report that it took place in Bihar?
It's annexed in Annexure B1 and B2.
B1 and B2.
B2 that is
A1. Where is it mentioned? Bihar?
We are roaming. It's the IP. The phone is roaming.
अच्छा roaming. ठीक है
And
चलिए
roaming in Bihar.
State government has filed with this group.
File report filed by the inspector in charge. Cybercrime PS, Barashat Police Division, signed on 27th January 2025. Annexing documents which suggests that the transaction took place somewhere in Bihar. The police opines that the petitioner may not be responsible with the fraudulent transaction. Stop. The investigation is still under progress. Stop. It appears from the submissions made on behalf of the parties that the petitioner has been a victim of fraud, has become a victim of fraudulent online transaction. Fraudulent online banking transaction. And he has been cheated. Stop. His salary account is the his salary account has become the subject of the fraud. Stop. Certain sum of money stood deducted from the bank account of the petitioner without his knowledge and consent. Stop. The police is investigating the crime. Stop. The bank is also directed to continue with the internal investigation and try to find out the beneficiary of the said fraudulent transaction. Stop. Paragraph. The respondent authorities shall take steps to recover the amount which the petitioner has lost in the meantime. Stop. Achha, paragraph. As the petitioner is a monthly salaried person, comma, the bank shall permit the petitioner to open a separate bank account where his salary may be deposited. Stop. The existing bank account of the petitioner shall immediately be frozen so that further money cannot be deducted therefrom for meeting the EMI. Stop. Paragraph. What are the further steps that can be taken?
DI, I have made him party. Only no objection for creating the salary account. DI's permission is required by the school authorities. School authorities will approach the DI. DI will take appropriate steps.
Leave is granted to the petitioner to approach the district inspector of schools.
He is party there.
For obtaining permission for opening separate salary account.
Yes.
In the bank.
And the school will cooperate.
Stop.
His
The
madrasa.
school.
His madrasa.
The madrasa is directed to cooperate with the petitioner and the bank for opening such bank account. Stop. Next. The